No wa matai me tawan tato a matai I le avatele tawai o se tula ia tawai ma whaaloalo e whaia o masui o mato tai fono le deje salva pe fo I le ofisili ma pulenga le sunga ia se yuli di bak kana ia ma le awhenga luenga le deje sal e whawhelo ai tawai le mamalu le au fiolo ia nei ia o hali imam tama ita e tustala ia whapea fo nisi o mwhaiona tato mafuta I le neita e au o tō pa ia sam whaingta ia o le ale o ais whamatalanga I le neita e au ai e mualvi inga mal whaftai le tua o nolo na lofa o pulpuliteli o mwhai ona moli ai lo tō soifua maso mato wola I le neita e au and on behalf of our digital management the CEO, Seyuli Dipakana, and Digisal staff, we'd like to welcome all our media friends here this morning and also our guests that have made their time to come through this morning. Now, before we go on with the rest of our events, I would like to call on Bure just to lead us in prayer and then continue on with the rest of our program.
Mato to ya fiera ki ni to la tayau but tiam fa tayau ro fo mo wa le mato ra fa na fa tai te mai ora man maro si we fo le ni ya so fo we to fa ko ya so mato ura fa tai te ma mo fa ya o me ro fo we fa wala me so si tata fa wala me so si tu mo mato ra fa na mato te fa tai ra fio me ro si pa ia fai suyo mato vai mara malami mato wala rongang pa ia mususi ne mato ya ya mato fai asisila mato faftai na mara fusili ro wat ik pino ne Yesu Kristo dio fala ba o mo tato ya wa mato san ma mato talo na fio outro toile me nei lo ngang pa ia mato te mai lo fio ya te mato mato fa mo no ni tayau ya stimuli yaso ya dan apion tui te liu ya le mato mafta yo la tu ainga mo Lulu ya me kani si o fa te mai ya mo au ui au lo fio ya te mato man ya me o mato te fai mato te tsalo atu mato te se mo mato wa saluma tam fa maran I toto lo watu ni Yesu Kristo wala per mato te tsalo amen
Now, today, as you obviously know, is a special day for Digisal, but also more importantly, special day for everyone who are gathered here. Now, without further ado, enough talking from me, I would like to welcome onto the podium our CEO, Seyuli Dipakana, for his official address.
Thank you, Mua. Morning everyone. Talofa and good morning once again. It indeed is a special day for us over here at Digisal. First of all, I'd like to warmly welcome all of you for making out and coming, taking time to come here this morning. Today we are unveiling the Digisal Sports Apparel for 2022. It's a part of our initiative for the development of sports in the country on the occasion of the 60th year of independence. As our honorable PM and had said that we continue with the celebration all through the year for the 60th year, and with the borders opening up just 2 days ago, it is the continuation of the celebration as we go forward. The initiative from our side is to actually provide the merchandise apparel to the budding sports people, and the teams in the country. Our aim is to enable sports people to focus on performance and skill enhancement, and shall be providing the sports apparel over there. It's coming in the sports uniform, what we're going to unveil, it actually comes in different styling. You'll see there's been a fair bit of effort which has gone in getting this uniform ready. You'll see the design itself is very Samoa. The fit, comfort level, and today as we are introducing different teams, you'll notice that right from being the singlet style or being the sports style, it'll actually work well for all the teams. So as next steps, what we'll do is we'll just introduce our first batch of clubs. So what we did was when we decided, as a team, and all thanks to all credit goes to the marketing team here at Digicel, when we decided that, okay, how do we kind of unveil this uniform? Okay, let's do it in a different way. Let's not just get the uniforms or the t-shirts in and, give it out. Let's actually call in the teams, get the teams to send in their expressions of interest, and then as a part of our selection process, and the selection is been basis the rich sporting traditions, how the clubs have achieved, and also the people, the teams and the sports people who want to go out and achieve at the highest level. That's how we've kind of started doing the selection. This is the first set of teams what we who are here today whom we are selecting, and as we go forward, there are more teams who've actually given their expression of interest, and I'm sure we'll be adding more and having more of these press conferences. So just introducing the clubs, the first batch of sports club whom we've actually selected. The first is the Marist Original Men's Netball team. Then is the Wayala Development team. Then we have the Fangali Volleyball Club. We've got the Waipuna Soccer Club and the Nafanua Paddling Club. So these are the first few teams whom we've kind of selected today. And as we unveil the the uniforms, we'll just get the uniforms across to these teams, and we'll continue on as we move through the year. Okay. Thank you.
Yep. Miss Patina falling now. Yep. And then we have our also have our singlets. Ito, may sispat-spati na away. Ito, maayon sa sa parang sa sana 2022. What? What's up? What's up? All right. Yeah. Or sa tu loa ile wala awina mai o tatou outside tasi wa fa manuia ina ile tatou sports apparel in sanga. As we said, these are just the initial 5 teams that we have started to partner off with, which we are now presenting today. But olo talia pea ya tatou proposals matusi awa ia isi au ma isi ta alonga fo yo yai ia leala le afa ala watu watato awa will call on our teams, and if the manager and captain could please come and accept on behalf of your whole club. Everybody, yes? Okay. Yeah, ole tato amo mua, or our first club that will be given. Oh, we went front. Yeah, come. And then you will get the rest of the team outfits from our team outside. So our Marist Original men's netball team, from Mole, our representative, to please come forward. Our background on our Marist team, they are the favorites and the hot team, favorites to win the 2022 netball men's. They have been 5-time champions for our current netball league. So we are here. All the best, Marist, for we'll just come here. Just right there. For your 2022. Am I supposed to tell it for Marist Originals in netball? Our next team, and we'll be representing the sports of rugby, our Vaiala development team, or Vaiala Tamne Sina development team. If we could have representative from this team. As we all know, Vaiala is a well-known sports club within rugby and in our country. They have been winners of our Marist Sevens. They are also currently one of our top teams. So if we could have Vaiala Rugby. Oh, okay. Now, as we wait for Vaiala, we also have our Vaipuna Soccer Club. Vaipuna Soccer Club. We can have a representatives for Vaipuna Soccer Club. Now, Vaipuna currently holds the captain for the national Samoa team. They also have 13 players in their club representing Samoa at international levels. Vaipuna. They are also currently in the top 2. Yeah, Fafsaitele Vaipuna, all the best for the rest of the league this year. I now see Vaiala have made their presence known. Please, Vaiala, come forward. Malo, Faftsai Lava Vaiala, Dejisa wishes you all the best for the rest of the season. Faftsai. Okay. And now next representing sports of paddling, we have our Nafanua, our women's club. And men's. Oh, sorry, I did not see. Men's and women's. There have been 13 women from Nafanua Club that have represented Samoa in all our international tournaments. All right, thank you. And now for our final sports, we call Whangalii Volleyball Club. Whangalii have represented Samoa both in indoor and beach volleyball, have won gold for Samoa, silver and bronze. So, Faftsai. Yeah, Faftsai Lava Whangalii, all the best with the rest of the season. Yape mai sister Patina, and those are the 5 clubs representing the 5 different sports today. Now, before we close off, we please call all our captains that are here today. If you could just kindly put on our shirts, our sports apparel that you have been given, so that for our photo ops regarding our sports apparel and anything that's been said today from our